It's proposal review time. This one reads, Hi Maja, thanks for the invite. I have to say your job post really stuck out to me. My name is Imad and I'm exactly what you're looking for. I have created so many similar storytelling videos for many YouTube channels that specialize in this kind of content. See examples in my portfolio. I really like editing history and mystery videos and I'm very interested in a full-time/retainer opportunity. That's why I will be very happy to work with you and help you achieve all your goals as a YouTube automation company. I do have a couple of questions, but first I'd like to make you an offer and give you some background so you can check my work out. These are some videos I've recently created. Don't hesitate to contact me for more examples. And then you send like 4 different links. And after that, it says it takes years of experience and consistent learning to be able to create engaging and high quality YouTube videos that keep the viewer hooked throughout and ensure getting more views and growing your audience. But don't worry, I'm here to save you all that time and effort. As an expert YouTube video editor for 4 years, I have accumulated so much experience and knowledge about creating content on this platform, YouTube, and I'm very familiar with the algorithm, so I can definitely help you grow your channel very fast. I edit in Premiere Pro and After Effects. I'm subscribed to the best stock footage websites, videos, photos, motion graphics tools, and music, and my editing and video production skills speak for me. I will make sure that all your videos are going to be professional, engaging, and creative, and together we will build your channel's visual identity the way you like it. Feel free to contact me right now to discuss the project in detail if you're available. P.S. I'm new to Upwork and looking to get a few long-term clients that I can build upon. If you take a look at my work and feel that I'm your editor, I'll do it for a 20% discount. Sounds enticing, but I'll talk about it later. So first thing in your proposal that I noticed is grammar and capitalization. There are some parts that are weirdly capitalized and some that are not, that should be. So just be careful with that. Proofread, again, use Grammarly, and just make sure everything's looking good in that sense. That can go a long way to show professionalism. I love that you included examples and that you talked about including examples in your proposal, but maybe just one is best. Like, choose the one that fits better with their intended style, and overall just shorten the whole proposal. Your profile can definitely tell the rest of the story, so you don't need to pack it all up in your proposal. The clients are busy once again. I keep saying this, but it's true. They're likely looking through many different proposals, and if they like your proposal, they will look at your profile and they'll want to see more. So don't overwhelm them and like the first cover letter. I also think you mentioned here that it takes years of experience and consistent learning. I don't think that's needed. I like that you mentioned that you have been editing videos for 4 years, but all that blurb in the beginning just feels like clutter a bit for me. Instead, I would really obviously mention that you have 4 years of experience. I think that's valuable. But I would focus more on selling the time that they get back and the quality of work, versus explaining how experience leads to all that stuff. I think that's a given. And honestly, most of this part that's after the examples is pretty much not that needed, except for those 4 years of experience. I would put that somewhere in the first paragraph. And definitely, like I said, you do need to sell the time that they get back and the quality of work they'll see from working with you. And one last thing, do not discount. Seriously, guys, value your work. I know it's hard. I know it's easy to want to discount to give them something enticing to take, but it kind of brings down the value of your work a little bit. And if you have 4 years of experience, I would assume you don't need to discount. I think that's a selling point in itself already. If you're new to Upwork and that's why you're discounting to get your first job, I would mention that, but say, since this is my first job on Upwork, I'll do the first video or the first 5 videos at a 20% discount, and if you like it, we'll continue at my full rate. That would be more, effective than saying you just get 20% discount. Like, you know, you don't need to do that, essentially. But yeah, I think you have a great start here. Just implement those little things, make it shorter, make it grammatically and punctuationally correct. I don't think that's a thing. But just be careful with grammar and punctuation. And yeah, don't discount yourself because you don't need it. Now, if you also want your proposal reviewed in a future video, I'll have the link down below to a form where you can submit it and I'll review it here on the channel for free. In the meantime, check out this other proposal review that I did and I'll see you right there.